Well, day 18 at Overbury for harvest 2025. Been a bit of a stop-start with annoying little showers here and there, enough to stop combining, not enough to do any good when it comes to getting cover crops established, germinating away. Back cutting laureate, which is a malting barley, malting for the beer industry. This is going to go to Burton-on-Trent, to the maltings at Shobnall, and then into Molston Coors products. Might be Doombar, might be Carling, might be Madry, who knows. But moisture's good, we're under 14.5%. Yields are all over the place. This is actually a decent bit of barley here, but the one we've just been in, ranging from sort of 3 to 5 tonnes a hectare. This is coming off quite well. Tell that by the swap of the straw. Baled off here probably tomorrow. Reasonable amount, not smashed up too much. It's still pretty short, the straw that we have, but it's not combine's not treating it too badly, which is good for a rotary combine. Just put an AB line in the field now. Hectares in this little block to do, just above Overbury village. We'll get this done this evening as long as we don't get much dew, but we haven't really had any of that to worry us with too much. And then we've got 65 hectares up on the hill, which hopefully will get moved get stuck into that tomorrow and a bit of Thursday, and then 110 hectares of wheat, winter wheat on the hill. It's all KWS palladium, and after that we have some wild farm spring wheat and a bit of heritage wheat, and then 4, I suspect, rather measly fields of winter beans, but the way the season is progressing, same as before, previous fields. Lots of straw residue still around from last year. The earthworms haven't really had an opportunity to venture onto the surface to take that in. Usually you get something like that and you pull it up, that's an earthworm midden, and there will be a hole in there where the earthworms can come up and down. You can just see it on the end of my finger there. It's like a larder for them on the surface. They can just come up and down and feed as and when they require, but I suspect they're all hibernating at the moment. It is so dry. But there we go, laureate spring barley well underway.